Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, still Wednesday, February the 3rd, 2021. We have a third puzzle, a binary puzzle for you. Binary puzzle number 1, and this will be a number 2270. Yes. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Yeah, between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Then. How about 1, 2, 3 O's? If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Alright, now 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Alright, 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1s. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between two 1s comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Between two 1s comes an O. 3 O's. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, though. This cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Alright. Then I need to compare, I think. Yeah. How about this column and that column? 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Okay, between two 1s comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Do I need to compare again? Seems like that I need to compare again. Yeah. We have 101. 10 10. Yes, 10 10. Oh no. Not the same. Yeah, this column and that column. 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 empty box, 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O there, this should be a 1. Alright, now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Okay. And now compare again. Not again. Alright. Yes. This row and that row. 0011. Empty box. Empty box. 0011. 0011. So we need to switch those two digits. With an O there, this should be a 1. With a 1 here, this should be an O. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. A lot of comparing with the rows and columns. But I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you with the last Sudoku, a tectonic with 4 stars of today. Yes, the last tectonic. Last puzzle for today. So see you later, and bye bye for now.